Hi everybody, it's your girl Bridget. I am back with another video, and on today's topic I want to talk to you about rent to purchase programs. I have three that I want to mention today. The first one is Divvy Homes, second Home Partners of America, and the third is Pathway Homes. If you heard of these programs, great, then you might know a little bit about them. If you have not, these are rent to purchase programs that are available for you for use today, for you to go ahead and get your dream home. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first one I want to talk about is Divvy Homes. Divvy Homes rent to purchase programs. Now, all of these homes do give you up to 3 years in the state of Texas to purchase. If you're outside of the state of Texas, for one, see if the programs are available to you. And for two, you may have up to 5 years to purchase. So go ahead and look into that. But if you are here in the state of Texas, they give you up to 3 years. Now, Divvy, they require a 550 or above credit score. They do require a minimum income of $2,500 a month. And then also they will check your DTI, which is your debt to income ratio. So that means after you get paid and after you pay your bills, your car note, your insurance, your credit cards, the amount of money that you have left over, you have to have enough money left over to pay the rent. Now, rent to purchase programs, if you don't know, they do purchase the home cash for you, and then you in return will rent the home from them until you are able to purchase it. Also keep in mind, after your first year's lease, you can renew again up to 3 years, or you could go ahead and purchase. You don't have to wait up to 3 years to purchase it. If you decide you want to go ahead and purchase it with all the programs, you are able to do so after your first year's lease. And if you decide to walk away, go to another area, decide you just want to look for another home, you can also do that with all three of these programs with no penalties. So don't think because this is the home you chose, that you're stuck with this home. No, you're not. You can walk away with no penalty. So again, Divvy, 550 credit score, $2,500 monthly income, and they will check your DTI. Divvy also only looks at your last 3 months of employment. So this is good if you are self-employed or if you are someone who just started a job. As long as you've been on that job for 3 months and you meet the other qualifications, you will get approved for it. Okay. So the next one I want to talk about is Home Partners of America. Home Partners of America, same concept as mentioned. With Home Partners of America, they do require a 620 or above in your credit score. So again, 620 or above. Same as Divvy, they will check your DTI. Also with Home Partners of America, there is an application fee. Divvy does not have an application fee. I don't think I mentioned that, but Divvy, there is no application fee. So with Home Partners of America, there is. So if you apply, they will charge you an application fee, and also that application fee is non-refundable. So if you apply and you don't get approved for it, you will not get the application fee back. So also keep that in mind. It's the same as Divvy, up to 3 years, 620 credit score. Of course, they're going to check your DTI as well. Home Partners of America will purchase new construction homes as well, but the home has to be 100% complete. So if you're someone who wants to buy a brand new home or you want to lease a brand new home, they will do that, but it has to be completed. They will not buy a home that's halfway built or that's at the moment right now just concrete. They haven't even put up a frame. They won't buy that. The home has to be 100% complete. And with Divvy, also all these programs, along with Divvy, they will not purchase home that needs work. So don't go find a home that's tore up and think that you're going to be able to fix it on your own and redo this and redo that, remodel it. No, the home has to be move-in ready and livable and pass each one of these programs inspections in order for you, to get approved for it. And so again, Home Partners of America, 620 or above, they do purchase new construction, has to be 100% complete, and there is an application fee. Now, can't remember if it's $60 to $75, exactly which one it is, but just know that there is an application fee that is non-refundable. Pathway Homes, same concept, 620 or above. I know Pathway Homes checks your TransUnion residential score. So keep that in mind when you're looking Don't think, oh, my Experian is 620. That's not the one they're looking at. They are looking at your TransUnion and the residential score with TransUnion. Okay, 620 or above, and they will check your DTI as well. And same concept as the other ones. Pathway Homes do purchase new construction homes as well. It has to be 100% complete, or if you're in a brand new subdivision or looking to move into a brand new subdivision that's being built, that subdivision has to be 50% complete before they would purchase a home. Again, they are purchasing the home cash for you and giving you the option to purchase it within 3 years. Also, again, you do not have to purchase the home in 3 years if you do not want to. If you decide after a year or even after 2 years or even in the third year that you're not going to renew your lease, that you don't want the home, you can walk away with no penalties. One thing that I did mention with Divvy though, Divvy, they, or did I don't remember, but Divvy, they do take a percentage of your monthly rent and they put it aside in a savings account for you to help you save for down payment. Pathway Homes and Home Partners of America, they do not. They do not take a percentage of your rent. So with that being said, with Divvy doing that, they will charge you a little bit higher on a monthly rent, so they're able to take out that percentage and put it aside for you into a savings account. So it's not like you're losing the money, but like, oh, well, Pathway is only charging me this month for rent, but Divvy is charging me $200 or $100 or something more than what I could, get for with Pathway. Just remember that you're not losing that money. They are actually taking that extra $100 to $200 and putting it in a savings account for you. And again, if you choose not to purchase the home with Divvy, that savings account of money that they have saved for you, you will get that money back. So you will not lose that money either way. And if anything, if you decide not to purchase that home with Divvy, that money that they give you back, just think of it as you have a good amount of money sitting over here that they will give back to you, that you can do whatever you want with it, even if you choose not to, purchase a house in the long run. So, and also these programs, you can do it over again. Let's say you didn't get approved the first time with these programs. You do have to wait 6 months to reapply. So keep that in mind. And as far as income, I think I mentioned that Pathway Homes, $75,000 minimum is the annual income that you have to make in order to get approved with them, or you have to at least make 3 times the amount of rent. So if they approve you for up to $3,000 a month in rent, let's say you go find a property that is $3,000 a month, you have to at least bring in $9,000 a month in order to get approved for that property. With that being said, anybody in the house that's 18 and over has to be on the application. And if they are working, include their income, even if it is your kid and you're not expecting your kid to pay anything. Put their income down, because that only helps you get a higher approval amount of what they will give you to go look for a home with, if that makes sense. So even child support and alimony, a lot of people don't like to use it, but it will help you get a higher and better home with a higher amount. So just keep that in mind. You don't have to use it, but they just need to see that the income is there. So with that being said, I will put the links down to each one of these programs below. Those links will take you directly to my personal portal that you can go search for homes and apply through if you're here in the state of Texas. If not, just go ahead and do a Google search wherever you are, or if you don't want to, have me as an agent on your portal, go ahead and do a Google search on it. But if you are someone who needs an agent and needs help and someone that understands the programs and that can walk you through it, go ahead and use my links below if you're in the state of Texas only, and apply. And I will be sure to get back with you and to help you through the process if needed. Also, Divvy does not require you to have an agent. You can do it all on your own. But Home Partners of America and Pathway Homes, you must have an agent. You can come without an agent and go ahead and apply with them, but they will partner you with one of their agents to help you through the process. So just keep that in mind. You're gonna have to have an agent work with you either way, whether it's, do somebody that you bring in with you, or whether it's an agent that they will hook you up with But Divvy is the only one that you can do this without an agent. So, but thank you guys for watching. Also, just to let you know, if you have not seen, I did post some travel videos. I have a series up. Go ahead and click on my channel, go through my videos and watch those travel videos. If you are new here, again, my name is Bridget. I am a realtor in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And I love real estate, but I also love to travel and do other lifestyle events. Now, this is the first set of travel videos I have put up on this channel. More are to come. I think I have another one for this series that I already have up that I am going to do, edit and upload. So if you want to see me outside of real estate, because I do like to have fun outside of real estate, go ahead and watch those videos. Go ahead, comment, share, subscribe if you have not. I love subscribers. Also, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.